Welcome back everyone. Today I'll show you how you can just start writing codes on VS Code in just minutes. So it's very simple. You have to just go to Chrome and then you have to download VS Codes. Go to Google, type VS Code. See, here you can find the option to download for Mac. Just click here. Okay, now it will start downloading. You can see it's over here. It's a file of 166 MBs and it will take some time to download, so let's wait. Great, it's done. Now I have to open this file. It's opening. See, you can find the Visual Studio Code in your downloads, but what you have to do next is you have to take this and you have to put it in the application section. You just drag and drop it here. It's done. Now I'll open the Visual Studio Code. It's here. Yes, it is asking Visual Studio Code is an app downloaded from the internet. Yes, I want to open it. Go to the specific location where you want to store the file. Suppose I want to store my file on the desktop itself, so I'll create new folder and I'll write the name sample and I'll open it and I'll create one more folder, hello world sample. It's done. Now again when you will be opening this VS Code, then you will get an interface like this. Okay, I'll just maximize the window. See, here it's written welcome. So here you can find some tools are there. You have to just click here and here is open folder. First of all, you need to specify where you want to save your codes, right? So I have created a folder sample. Okay, and inside the folder sample I have created one more folder, that is hello world sample, and I will be storing my codes in this hello world sample. So I'll go to VS Codes and then I'll open folder, right? And I'll get an option over here. I'll go to sample, hello sample, and open. See, now we are inside here. Okay, now I want to create a new coding file, so I'll click the plus sign over here and then I'll write the name of the file. So the very first thing I will do is hello world, which everyone does, .cpp. You have to specify what extension it should be. Okay, because I'm going to work it with C++, so I have done cpp. So I'll quickly form a program. Okay, now return 0, but I cannot execute this program. Here you can see I am not getting any of the running commands. Okay, so that I could run these codes, for that you will have to download the extensions. See here, for downloading extensions, what you have to do, you have to go here and then you have to search. So I want to do in C++, so I'll have to search C++. See, the very first thing which you will get is this is the most widely used, and okay, you have to just install it. See, it has started installing. You can see downloading C++ language components. Now the other thing I want you to download is code runner. You have to just write code runner. Okay, see, here is the code runner. Just install this. And one more thing I would like to tell you all, if you want see, this will not be the default theme that you are seeing on my PC, because I have installed it. I've installed the Dark One Pro. Okay, Dark One Pro, this is what I have installed. So you have to just type one Dark Pro and this will come, this extension will come. You have to install this. Okay, and then you can write code like this, because I know everyone does not like the default theme what is given in VS Code. So I would definitely recommend each and everyone to download this extension also. Okay, now let me see. Now when I am here, then I can see the run sign has come. See here. So I'll just run it. Okay, see, I can see the hello world is printed. My work is done. But wait, the work is not done yet. In case if I want the user to enter a number, okay, enter a number. Okay, for this I'll have to take num, and then I'll ask the user to take the num, and then I'll display the num. Okay, I have written the program. As we have seen that hello world was printed, but now what I will do is I will take a number from the user and I'll try to print that number. So I'll just run this program. Okay, enter a number. So I will enter the number here. I want to enter, suppose, 23. See what is happening, cannot edit in read only editor. Okay, this is what I was talking about. See, you cannot write the number, you cannot take the input from the user. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to just go to settings. You can find it here. Here is the setting. Go to settings. Okay, I'll just remove it, and you have to type here code runner. When you will type the code runner, you have to just go slowly downwards, and you will find an option whether to run code in integrated terminal. You have to just tick this box, and when you will tick this box, and again when I will run this program, now what will happen, it will ask a number once more. Now I want to give 23. I'll press enter. See, now I'm able to take the input from the user. So this is how you can make it very simple. Now you can edit any program you want to write on the C++. I don't think that you are going to find any of the difficulties in this. Okay, installing means before running program on VS Code, I mean to say, if you want to run a C++ program on VS Codes, you need to have a compiler on your computer. For example, Macs come built in with Clang. So you need to check whether a compiler is present in your computer or not. And for checking if Clang is present or not, you have to just go to the terminal. You can go to the terminal by command plus space, write terminal present, to check which version of Clang is present in the Mac, or it is present or not. We have to just write Clang dash dash version. See, I can see that Apple Clang version 12.0.0 is present, so I need not to install anything. But in case if you don't have, then you have to install a compiler. Okay, and in case if you don't have Clang installed on your Mac, so what you can do, you have to type a command on your terminal over here, and this would be the command brew install dash dash with dash toolchain llvm. So when you will type this and press enter, then it will automatically start installing on your Mac. So you need not to worry about much. That's why brew is really helpful. So I hope you understood, and it was nice sharing these thoughts with you all. Thanks for watching. Let us meet in the next one.